Almost done.
Okay.
This one runs better than the one I had.
Oh, on like speed 3, like before low, it makes a hell of a sound.
Yeah, it kind of buzzes a little.
I like it.
It's a nice fan.
I guess you can do the one in the window, and if you want to take those two downstairs, you can.
Yeah.
And that.
Clean up more fans for
There's a
you.
wind mirror back there.
What happened to the handle?
I don't fucking remember.
No. And there's that.